Student, we discussed about that there are different types of pollutions. In India, that our nation, the main that is the main effect on the our human body is mostly the pollution. In this pollution, there are pollution and populations. These two terms affect our health. Remember that. When the pollution increases, then many natural sources or man-made sources they use in many amount. But when we can be used the sources in very least amount, then the sources can be next generations they can be taken. Then let us see that today we discuss about that the pollution. There are different types of pollutions in our that is the surroundings, in our village, in our taluka place, and also at the district level. Many times the peoples for their works they transfer that is in the cities and they can be located at. Remember that the most pollution is that occurs is the air. Remember that air pollution is very amount they can be spread in all over the world. Which factors that the air pollution can be takes place? Remember that the substance that can be occur with the help of these pollutions, that is the creation of the pollutions, is called as the air, that is the pollutant. Remember that pollutant. Now we can be say about that pollutant. In our surroundings, different pollutants are present. Then what is that? Suppose in industry or suppose in sugar industry, there is chimneys are present, and in chimneys, many toxic gases can be spread out. Which is the toxic gases? Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, then also sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. That many more amount of the gaseous substance can be thrown through the chimneys and they are spread in our surroundings in many more days. Remember that. And therefore pollution occurs. This is the first reasons, that is the chimneys of the industries. They can be emitted. Emitted it means that they can be, that is the thrown out of these terms, that some gases can be thrown and they are harmful to our health for the breathing purpose, that is the respiration process. When we take the, that is the air from the nose, then also some gases can be toxic and some, that is the oxygen, are useful. But we take the in the breathing. Then in suppose in city regions there are more amount of the pollutant are present. Remember that. And in this pollutant that different ways they can be present. Remember that. These pollutants are, they can be stored in many amount and this air pollution can be occurs. The next reason is that what is the next reason? When we burn the garbage, there are different types of garbage are present. For example, that is the wrapper of the plastic material, then that is the paper material, plastic material, thermocols. Then when we can be burn these substances and these substances causes the air pollutions. Remember that air pollutions reason is our, that is sometimes natural and sometimes that is the man. When burning of the coal, remember that when for the purpose of the cooking purpose we use the gases. Remember that, and for this purpose in village area sometimes use the wood, and this when we can be use the wood, then many toxic gases can be thrown out an atmosphere, and with the help of these terms that the air pollutions can be occur. Burning of the wood also, remember that. Burning of the plastic, burning of the thermocols, then also that we know that plastic is very harmful to our health. Then also what is the next reason is that in the air pollutions that pollutants are occur in the nature. Radioactive substance sometimes that make the toxic substances and therefore the pollutant are can be present. Remember that in these terms air pollutant in our surroundings, different types of the pollutants are present. Remember that. Today we discuss about that air pollutions and what is the substance that is the pollutant are present in our surroundings. Then what is there that precautions we take that don't take the air pollutions. The precaution is that remember that first we don't use the plastic material. Remember that. And second one, the garbage can be thrown into the dustbin, not here and there. Sometimes the farmers, remember that, they ignited or burning of their residue materials in the field, and they also causes the air pollution. For this purpose, that is the ignited or burning this product. Remember, air pollutions, burning of the some papers, some wrappers, then thrown into the dustbin.